Homemade harissa paste on Stef le chef. Hello and welcome back to Stef le chef. Today we're gonna make some harissa paste. You can buy it in all very good supermarkets, but homemade is always tastes much better. For that I'm gonna do my version of it. You can use your imagination as always, but this is my starting point. You can use it for rouille, for instance, or it goes very well with a nice Northern African dish such as couscous. It goes in tagine. You can use it for lots of stuff. Very versatile and pungent paste. Harissa, let's do it. So to make our harissa, to start we need some red pepper. I've got a couple of variation here. I've got bell and a long one here. Medium hot chili, saffron strand, tomato puree, some cayenne pepper, some coriander seed, some salt, and some extra virgin olive oil to lose all the ingredients in our mixer later on. Okay, first of all we're gonna roast our peppers. Okay, we just want the flesh. We're gonna roast them in the oven, 220 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. A little coat of olive oil, there it goes, little oil on top, in the oven for 25 minutes. Right, our coriander seeds, to get most of the aroma and flavors out of them, we're gonna, on the stove, dry pan, we just put them in there for a couple of minutes. That will torrefy them and get all the flavors and aroma, like I just said, out of them. Okay, couple of minutes. And now, if you got one, we're just gonna grind our coriander seeds. Oh, I can smell the flavor coming through. You can use powder if you wish, but this is much nicer for the flavors. Okay. So 25 minutes done, peppers come out of the oven. The idea is to get the flesh from the peppers. So I'm gonna let it cool down and I'm gonna show you how to get only the fresh. So our peppers cool down a bit. Now all you have to do is get rid of the skin. So just like this. And get rid of the pips as well. We don't need the pips. And that should be nice and simple. Here it comes. Here comes the skin. Skin that we don't want, and we reserve our peppers in there. Right, now our pepper's been de-skinned. Here we are, nice pepper flesh. All we have to do is blend the whole ingredient together in a blender. So here comes the red pepper flesh, tomato paste, 1 large teaspoon, our chilies, coriander seed, cayenne pepper, salt, saffron strand, all the way from Spain. To help the process of blending, I'm just adding a little drop of extra virgin. Well, that should do it. Check for taste. Lovely, nice kick. Here we are. This goes in the fridge and you can use it for up to a month. Just when you put it in the fridge, just put a little layer of olive oil on top to keep it longer. Okay, but here we are, homemade harissa paste on Stef le chef. As I said, this is my version. There's other version out there, but this is my favorite one. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. That will be ace, and see you soon on Stef le chef. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video and want to check out my latest one, please click here. If you want to check all my videos, please click here. And if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please subscribe and click here. That'll be ace. See you soon on Stef le chef.